How to fix WhatsApp status music. Not working, add music on WhatsApp status, not showing, problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. As you can see here, this is the latest updated feature of WhatsApp, and you don't have this add music features on your WhatsApp status. Then what you need to do here in this video, I'm going to show you. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is that just go to Play Store, and then after going to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and then please make sure to update your WhatsApp. Okay, if you're using iOS, go to App Store and make sure to update your WhatsApp, guys, after updating your WhatsApp. You can just go and check whether the feature is available or not. Guys, if it is not available, then what you need to do the next is that you have to go to your phone settings. Okay? You have to go to your phone settings and then scroll down and go to Apps or Install Apps or App Management. And then here you will get the application list which has been installed to your phone. So now just scroll down and search for WhatsApp and where it is. Click on WhatsApp, and then here you have to click on storage usage and then clear the KG as well as the data after clearing this. What you need to do is that go back, click on permission button, and then allow each and every permission here after doing this. You just need to restart your phone and check whether the music add music features is available or not. On your WhatsApp status, every second not available. Then what you need to do is that make sure to update your phone. Okay? Like go to settings. Okay? Go to phone settings. Search for software update, and check whether your device is asking for any kind of update or not. If your device is asking any kind of update, make sure to update your device after updating. You just need to delete the WhatsApp and then reinstall it. You'll definitely going to get E option. Thanks for watching.